Director of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences Porompat today flag off the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride Imphal 2019 from Classic Grant Imphal, which finished at Sangaitel. The ride was organized by Motocorps Motorcycle Club Manipur. In connection with the 4th Meitei Chanu 2019 beauty pageant, the event organizing committee today organized a trip to the sacred Wangoi Sanamai Sanglin. The participants of Meitei Chanu 2019 beauty pageant took part in the trip. Registering a protest against the death of Thoijingjam Bira on 17th of this month, a sit-in was held at Wangoi Bazaar today, demanding justice for Bira. It may be recalled that T.H. Bira, son of T.H. Sabo of Wangoi Wahingbam Laikai, was killed in a hit-and-run accident on September 17. Bishnupur District Athletic Association today organized a district-level athletic meet at Hemam Nilamani Memorial Sport Complex, Ngangklawai, Moirang. Shot put, high jump, long jump, discus throw, javelin throw, hurdles and race were held at the athletic meet today. Jawaharlal Nehru Hospital Parking Auto Rickshaw Drivers Association today conducted a cleanliness drive at Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy campus. Irabot Celebration Committee Kumbi Local Council celebrated 123rd birthday anniversary of lamjingbatomtv and Tahizam Irabot at Kumbi Kaitel. Floral tribute was paid to the photo of Irabot. Mass pass competition, cultural dance competition and painting competition were held at Kumbi Kaitel as part of the event. YLL Club Khundrapam today conducted a cleanliness drive in Khundrapam area. The cleanliness drive was held in connection with Irabot Day observance tomorrow. A mudslide that occurred yesterday in between MAO-KHUJAMA nearby CRPF Exchange Point along the Imphal-Dimapur highway affected vehicular movement for quite some time. As per latest report, traffic movement has resumed since this morning. A team of Imphal West commandos arrested 2 drug peddlers from Kanchipur Meitei Lampai last evening. As per reports, the corps also seized 1,400 WY tablets worth more than ₹2 lakhs from their possession. As a part of Swachata Hi SEVA, District Water and Sanitation Committee, BICD Bishnupur and Sunu Sifai Welfare Association jointly conducted a cleanliness drive program in and around the India Peace Memorial Complex, Maibam Lokpating. Tripura police arrested a Bangladeshi national last evening along with 2 pistols and 4 magazines. The arrested Bangladeshi national was identified as Anumoy Chakma. Tourism in Assam is to enter a new phase with Assam Tourism Development Corporation collaboration with Instagram to promote tourism for the state. A formal unveiling of the hashtag Awesome Assam by Instagram took place yesterday in Guwahati.